Sure. Well, give us a little, just as a, so for people who've never seen any of your videos or never met you or talked to you, give us kind of a, like a overview, just a picture of what it's like when they come to your adult day center. Just give us some kind of like overview. Kind of
Yeah, I mean, like so we've recently rebranded, so I'm in this like really kind of like this weird state of like we used to say it this way and now we like have our new rebranding, but because we're formerly Chelsea Place, which I named after my wife, and we're transitioning now into a brand called ActivAge. And ActivAge is, all about keeping everyone active and healthy, and and just really embracing the active side of like maybe these later years. But when someone comes to our adult daycare center, the idea we want them to have is like it's a fun and engaging daycation for seniors. So like ideally you're coming, you're dropping your mom or your dad off at our place, and they're going on a daycation for the day, and they enter our adult daycare center, and they're greeted by a friendly person at the front desk who kind of think of like you're boarding a seaplane and you're going to ride Paradise Airways into some like Caribbean island somewhere where you're going to spend your day and have just a great time and have fun. And so then you enter our building, and we kind of have like this really it's like a Margaritaville meets like 1960s retro vibe, like merge those two together. And we basically have fun and engaging activities all day long, from the time that someone gets there at 8 a.m. to the time they leave at 5 p.m. It's just nonstop, probably 20 plus different things that we're doing all throughout the day. And usually that's changing every 30 minutes to every hour. And we have a lunch, we have catered kind of snacks in the afternoon. We have live music every day. So it's a super active place.
Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.